My name is Lakshman, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the error or the problem when you have installed two plugins, let's say ads inserter and another plugin called table of contents. As you can see here, there's something not going right. So this is the table of contents that is being generated by easy table of content plugin, and this is just a demo ad that I inserted from ads inserter plugin. But sometimes what can happen is your ad can go inside of table of contents and it might look ugly as in here, but it actually depends on the length of your text as well. But let me show you another post where it should be working well. So as you can see here, the ad is working somewhat better than in this post. So there's an easy way to fix this. Let me show you how you can do this. So this is the page for ads inserter, and currently it has been enabled at this location. So what can be done is, if we go to the gear icon here, if we go to the settings here and scroll to find a setting called no paragraph counting inside. So we are telling the plugin not to count the paragraph inside certain elements. So what we'll do is, and also before that, this table of contents is inside a div and a list, and unordered listing. So what we will do is we will just let this know we don't want it to be counted inside a unordered list and a div. So it will actually it will stop counting paragraph for all the contents that are out below here as well, but it will work for this table of contents as well. So let me just save the settings, and then if I go back here and refresh this page, as you can see, because it didn't count this part as a paragraph, so it just skipped this part and then it directly went here. So if you had created any content here by inserting a div or unordered list, then it would have skipped that content as well. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.